According to a recent article in Hindustan Times, Indian intelligence agencies have advised the Indian government to either block or restrict the use of 53 Chinese apps that may be sending a huge amount of data to Chinese servers. Among the list are popular and widely downloaded apps like TikTok, ShareIt, MeStore, MeCommunity, Clash of Kings, and many more. Now most of them come bundled with a new phone that you may buy and are pretty easy to remove. You just go ahead and uninstall them. But some phone manufacturers bundle them as system apps and you cannot uninstall them. For example, my Redmi K20 Pro comes with various Mi apps such as Get Apps, Mi Pay, Mi Video, Mi Music, and Poco Launcher, which cannot be uninstalled. Besides privacy concerns, we should uninstall Chinese apps to send the Chinese government a strong message that we fully support the Indian Army. I firmly support the movement that Mr. Sonam Wangchuk has started. Stop using Chinese software in a month and hardware in a year. It is the least we can do. So in this video, I shall be showing you how you can uninstall any app from your Android phone, even if it is a system app. And mind you, it does not require rooting and does not void your warranty. To remove system apps from your phone, you will require a couple of things. A Windows computer or laptop, a USB cable to connect your phone to the computer, and obviously your phone. The first step is to enable developer options in your phone. To enable developer options, go to Settings, About Phone, and tap on Build Number 7 times. Congrats, you are now a developer. So in my case, developer options are under additional settings. They might be under a different menu depending on your phone. In developer options, enable USB debugging. For the second part, we need ADB tools to be installed on your computer. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge. ADB is a tool through which you can communicate with your phone and carry out tasks such as installing, troubleshooting, and in our case, uninstalling system apps. You can download ADB tools from the link in the description box below. After downloading ADB tools, install them. Remember the path where you install them, or you could just create a desktop shortcut during installation. After installation, run ADB tools either from the desktop shortcut or by the command here application in the installations folder. Now at this point, connect your phone to the computer and select the media transfer function. On the ADB window, type in the command ADB devices. You will get a notification on your phone. Tap on continue and you should see your phone appear in the list. Next, type in the command ADB shell. Now for the last and the final step. We need to find the APK name that you want to uninstall. For this, go to Settings, Apps, and find the app. Click on the app info icon and note down the name of the package. In my case, I want to uninstall Mi Browser, so the package name is com.android.browser. So now in ADB, type in the command pm space uninstall space -k space --user space 0 space followed by the APK name, which in my case is com.android.browser, and press enter. The app will be removed from your phone and you will be greeted with a success message. I went ahead and removed Mi Video, Mi Pay, Get Apps, Poco Launcher, Mi Music, and Mi Services app. Once you are done, you can simply disconnect the phone and turn off USB debugging and developer options. By the way, I will list all the commands in the description box below so you don't have to refer this video over and over again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I am sure you will remove all Chinese apps from your phone. Let us stand united and send a strong message to the Chinese government that we are and we will be with the Indian Army. My name is Vaibhav and until next time, Jai Hind.